Guys, in this video, let me show you how can we insert our videos or audios to our web pages. So with the help of HTML5. Okay, how can we insert videos or audios in our web pages by using this HTML? So for that, first let me open our text editor, that is Edit Plus, right? So go to Start and type here ready. Just it will open Edit Plus. Now before that, we need to choose one drive first. So on left side, here you can see different types of drives are there. I am going to select H drive here because this drive is empty for me. I have some space here, so I am going to select this drive. Now I am going to select this drive and go to File and select New and click on HTML page. So by default, it will create the structure of the HTML page. So now I'm not going to disturb any this structure. I will leave it as this. So anyone watching my video for the first time, please watch my HTML old videos. This is the sixth video that I am doing on the HTML. So in this video, I want to tell you how can we insert videos or audios. So on my desktop, you can see here there is one audio file, that is MP3 audio file and MP4 video file. So I am going to use these two for the demonstration. So let me open my Edit Plus. Now first you need to type video here. So we need to use a tag called video tag for this, and here there is a attribute called source. Okay, source src stands for the source is the attribute. This source decides in this source we need to put the location of our video file. Okay, so now I'm going to the desktop. Now I'm going to select my video, which is there in my desktop. Right click on it and go select here. Click on show more options. So go to properties again. Here copy this location where it is stored. Copy the entire location. Now, so now place it in the src. Now next thing, give backward slash again. Again go to the desktop, and here now copy the file name with the extension. Here you can see the type of file is .mp4. Now I have copied the file name. Here I have given the file name as video. Okay, so again I'm closing it with the double quotes. Now again I am closing the source attribute tag. Okay, now let me save this. Go to file, click on save as. Uh, let me first of all let me close the video tag also. In the body I have mentioned, right? So I am going to close the video tag. Here the video opening tag is there, and here I have closed the video tag. Now I am going to file again, click on save as. In the just this H drive I am going to save. So I am going to save it as ABC. Okay, so ABC, and the good thing about the Edit Plus is it will automatically take the this type extension. Okay, so it will be automatically taken. Now click on save. Now click on yes. Now let's go to that particular location, that is H drive. You can see here my HTML file is there and type is also HTML, right? So now right click on this file open with any Chrome browser, anything. Okay, so I have opened with the Chrome browser. You can see here, but it is showing me this video, but it is not playing, right? So for that we need to pass one more attribute in the video, that is controls. We need to use here controls attribute. So now click on save again, control plus S. Now go to that browser and just once refresh it. Now you can see it will show you the video. Now if you click on play, it will play the video. And here you can use loop also, loop attribute also. After the completion of the video, again it will get playback. Okay, now you can observe here, again I'm going to save the file, HTML file. Now I'm going to the browser again. Let me play it. Now you can see I'm going to leave it here. Automatically it will play back. If I mention here loop, so once the video got completed, again it will start playing from beginning. That is the advantage of loop. Let me do it in another browser, or else let me open with Microsoft browser. Okay, now let me play this one. Now let me leave it here. See, you can see here it is playing again. The same video it is going to play back again. Okay, so it is in loop now. Now again I am going to leave here. It will play back again. See. So like this the loop will work. And here you can give mute also, muted option, right? Okay, so if your video is having some audio, automatically the mute option will be applied here. Okay, now it is not in mute. If I do refresh, you can see here, now the audio was muted. Here in this video, for this video file there is no audio, so I have downloaded the sample video from the internet to just for the demonstration purpose. This video is not having any audio. That's the reason you are not able to hear anything about this one. Now let me, this is about the video. Now let me show you the audio, how to insert the audio. Now I'm applying here break tag two times. Now audio tag open, audio tag close. Close the audio tag, and in between I am going to use again the source src equals to. So where is our audio? We need to go to the desktop again. So let me go to the desktop. Let me close this. This is our audio file. Right click on it. Right click on it. Go to show more options. Go to properties. You can see the location. Copy the location and put it in the src and apply double quotes, enclose it with double quotes, and after desktop give by one backslash, and you need to give the, we need to give the file name also. So this is our file name. So let's give the file name here. Done, right? So next I'm going to close this one. Now now again I'm going to save this. Go into the browser and click on refresh, but you will not see here the audio file. The reason is we did not pass controls in the audio. We need to pass controls also here. So again you need to save this one. Now go to the browser back, click on reload. See, now you can see the audio, you can hear it also, right? So you can apply loop here. Here also it will work. So when you type loop here, it will be in loop. Once again go to the web page and refresh. So again I'm going to play this one and I'm leaving it here. It will again Again it is playing from the starting. So that is how you can apply loop here also. And next you can apply mute also, like in the video which we have just applied. Muted also, just the audio will be in mute mode by default. Now go to the browser, just again refresh it. So unless I play the audio, it will not, you cannot hear. Now see, unless I unmute this one, you cannot hear the voice, right? So this is how we can add our videos or audios in the web pages by using the HTML file. So this is the last video which I'm going to close by here this HTML sessions. So uh, next time we can move to the CSS part. So any doubts up to now you can mention in the comment section. I will try to clarify those doubts, and you can bring these two things into center also by giving the center tag. So now I'm using center tag here, but to do this we can use with the CSS. It is not recommended to use the center tag. With this help of CSS we can do such type of modifications. Click on save now and go to the browser and just click on refresh. See, now video and audio both came into the came in center, right? So this is how you can manage, right? So and attributes, like in the video controls, attributes you can go for the height and width also. Like you can give, like I'm going to give here 500, and width equals to, again I'm going to give here 500, like that. You can give the give like this also, and go to the browser back and refresh it once. So now you can see the somewhat the size was taken, right? So in this way we can manage your videos and audios. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.